Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Pollo AI. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS. And what I can tell you from looking into this is that there are certain features that are limited if you are using Pollo AI on desktop or Android, namely the option to delete your account. But there's also a couple of other things that you can only find if you use the iOS version. Now, if you go to the App Store and you search for Pollo AI, I found that nothing shows up. It's only until you search for Pollo AI Kiss Generator that you're actually going to find Pollo AI. And this is an app that's specifically engineered towards their Kiss generator and their different templates that you can take advantage of with Pollo AI. And that is a primary thing that is available with Pollo AI. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, and you can see for yourself that we can create romantic AI kissing videos. We can transform into your favorite movie characters instantly, and you have 40 plus templates and effects at your fingertips. Let's go ahead and open up Pollo. And so you can see here for yourself that we have a few templates that we can play around with. And this is really where Pollo stands out from different apps that are doing similar things. You have a lot of these fun effects that you can play around with, like the AI kissing app, the AI kissing effect. So you could see take two images and bring them into here where you can upload the image, and then you can have those two individuals kissing. We've got the AI muscle generator, so you can bring your character in here and boom, there you go. Suddenly they're about as jacked as you can possibly get, which is kind of fun, kind of funny. We've got the AI curly hair. So that's a little fun right there too. So it's a lot of fun little ideas that you can play around with Pollo, and basically you can just upload your image here, whatever that image might be, and you can do the squish effect, you can do the inflate effect. So a lot of just really fun stuff to play around with so that you can add some interesting, funny content to your social media. And we'll just go through here and we'll see what are the different options. We've got the melt effect, and they're all very similar in terms of how you can use them. Just upload the image and then hit create. You are going to consume credits in order to use these different features. So let's go ahead and take a look at the credits. Let's see here. So looks like I've got 8 credits right now, but in order to use the full capabilities, we are going to need to get Pro in order to unlock. So we have the Pro monthly subscription at $35 a month. We have the annual subscription at $350 a month. So with the free version, you do get some credits at the beginning to play around with, but you're going to run out of those pretty quick, I can tell you from experience. Now, there is the light version, which is quite a bit more cost effective, $17.99 a month, the annual subscription of $143. Seems as though the with the light version you get 300 credits, and with the pro version you get 800 credits. And with the light version, you're looking at about 20 credits per generation. So that will give you an idea of exactly how much it is that you can get out of Pollo AI. The results are pretty incredible. You can see here an image to generate an image to video generation that I did, and really quite nice. So there's a lot here that you can play around with. I might say for me, to be spending this much for a subscription based on everything that Pollo is offering. It's a lot of fun. There's some really fun ideas here. I'm not sure that this is something that I would personally be interested in. This is maybe something a little bit more engineered towards people who are influencers and just want to add some fun content to their page, to their social media. There's a lot of fun ideas here. Transform into Catwoman, transform into Wonder Woman. It's a lot of fun. There's some really fun stuff here. The only thing I might say is that the restrictions as far as how many credits you can use do seem to be somewhat limiting. Let's go ahead and click the settings icon here, and you're going to see for yourself that we have the delete account option. This is not something that you can find in either the desktop version or the Android version. So keep that in mind. That might be a reason to download this app. If you are looking to delete your account, then this might be the easiest way of doing that. Otherwise, you'll have to contact Pollo themselves in order to request that they delete your account. But that gives you an idea of everything that you can expect with Pollo, the different templates and effects, and of course, how much it's going to cost in order to get Pro and unlock all of the features here. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.